delightful creation by the Tang Empire?
It's called Tangalicious.
When China was falling apart, the Tang dynasty swooped in and put it back together, reuniting them as one.
Wait, what's in it?
The ingredients are technology in the Tang dynasty was painting, clockwork, gunpowder, and playing cards.
Political structure of the Tang Dynasty was a decentralized one. It consisted of legalism, Confucianism, and state-sponsored movement.
The social structure in the Tang dynasty was made of 8 social classes. Women were also treated with respect.
Cultural exchange between China and foreign countries occurred frequently among the Tang dynasty. Traditional religions included Buddhism and Taoism. The Tang dynasty loved poetry.
There's cinnamon oats.
Oh, okay. And it has a prize too.
Let me see.
Tangalicious.